Today, I'm gonna challenge Reed the Fishmonger to a fillet competition. We're gonna be judged based on fastest, boneless, skinless fillets. We got 2 monster mangoes, almost the same size. Let's see who can get the most meat. And 3, 2, 1.
Done.
I just filleted that fish. This guy's a lot better than me. Look at him.
Well, here's some beautiful fish, man.
Yeah.
You guys absolutely crushed it.
Yeah, solid mangies.
That's absolutely gorgeous.
Let's see what Reed the Fishmonger's got.
Let's go.
The guy's a wizard. Not bad. Boom. I think that was roughly 45 seconds. In hindsight, mine was definitely not 30 seconds. I have to go back and check the camera.
It's definitely 30 seconds.
Dude, I actually really enjoy cutting fish with a guy like Reed. He's been so helpful. I thought I knew how to cut fish, and there's always more to learn, and I've learned so much in the time that I've been here with him. So being able to have somebody educate and not talk down on you is incredible. Really good guy.
I appreciate that, man. I love people that want to get the most out of their catch and respect the fish. And I respect the heck out of CJ for honoring every fish that he kills by making sure he gets the absolute most out of it. And, you know, he hooks up a lot of people with a lot of meat. So this dude's the man.
All right, guys, we checked the replay. It's crazy. Who would have thought that Reed the Fishmonger would beat me? The guy's a wizard. Hats off. I got. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you don't watch Reed the Fishmonger, please go over and check out his channel. He has so much fillet ASMR. I watch it for hours. Good stuff.